Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make char siew, but I'm not going to use the normal tenderloin. Instead of a normal loin, I will be using ribs. So it's going to be a char siew ribs. Yeah, don't really find this very commonly found outside. Maybe the ingredient itself is too expensive, so it's not so worthwhile selling. But we might as well make it at home. It's not difficult at all. Okay, so this is actually, I'm actually using the soft ribs. Of course, you can use the normal ribs as well. Yeah, totally up to you. And this is approximately 500 grams of soft ribs here. You can see the beautiful layer of ribs here, and these are actually the soft ribs. Yeah, nice. And depending on the size of your Ziploc bag, you'll be using one later. You can actually choose to slice it to make it become smaller pieces in order for it to fit inside the Ziploc bag. Yeah. And before we start, basically the making of char siu is only two steps. The first step is to marinate. Second step is to grill it. Yeah. So the main ingredient for you to marinate your char siu is actually this. This is actually called the maltose sugar, and you can 麦芽糖. Yeah, you can use any brand that you can find. And the thing about maltose sugar is that it is very, very extremely thick, and you have to keep it inside room temperature. If you keep inside the fridge, it will harden. Okay, so keep it inside the room temperature. And to make it more reddish, there is actually a very traditional ingredient here, seasoning, which is called the red yeast, 红菊. Okay, the red yeast. So this is actually made out of the red yeast rice. Yeah, red yeast rice. So this is the red yeast sauce. So we will be using this to give it some natural reddish color, nice, beautiful reddish color. And of course, you will need some Shao Hsing wine, some light soy sauce, pepper, white pepper, yeah, and oyster sauce, some salt. And of course, you need a Ziploc bag. So let's start. Marinate the ribs. Oh, I haven't opened my red yeast sauce. Okay. This will give it beautiful, natural red color. See? And some umami flavor as well at the same time. So at least about 1 to 2 tablespoons each on each side. Yeah. Immediately you get your reddish color, and this is natural reddish color. Appa always try to avoid those colorings, yeah, whenever I can. So right, see, very reddish. And next thing, let me wash my hand. Going to put in some oyster sauce. Proceed about 2 tablespoons. Some light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Some Shao Hsing wine, a bit more Shao Hsing wine here is okay. 3-4 tablespoons. Because you want this sauce, you want some extra sauce later for us to coat the ribs during the grilling process. The maltose sugar. You try to wet the spoon with some water. Give it at least 2 big tablespoons of maltose sugar. Maltose sugar is not as sweet as the normal sugar. This is what I feel. And you can add some water to it, or you can add more Shao Hsing wine to further dilute it a bit. Yeah. some white pepper, some salt. Okay, then you want to mix everything all up. Okay, so right, you have marinated the whole soft ribs. You put the ribs inside a Ziploc bag, yeah, and also pour all the sauce inside here. And lock it. Okay. Then we are going to put this inside the fridge for overnight. Best overnight, at least 10-12 hours lah. Huh? Okay, this is actually after overnight. I intended to cook last night, but I did not end up cooking. So it has been staying inside my my fridge for overnight, and now I'm going to. It's actually over 24 hours. Wow, you can imagine how the juice has actually gone in. Okay, this is actually the extra sauce. Yeah, here, and this is the marinated ribs. So I'm actually preparing, heating up my air fryer right now, and I'm going to put it inside my air fryer to air fry it. So if you don't have an air fryer, you can use an oven. Okay, so I have heat up my enhanced air fryer for approximately 10 minutes at about 200 degrees Celsius. And then we carefully put in the meat and close it. The moment when you open it, it will actually stop operating. When you close it, it will continue operate again. And then we are going to air fry this using 200 Celsius for approximately 30 minutes. And every 10 minutes, I will actually take it out and brush one layer of sauce on top of it. Yeah. If you want to know more about this particular air fryer, information will be inside the video description. Okay, I'm just going to very quickly prepare some sauce for me to coat the Charsiew. If you don't want to do others, you can just use the marinated sauce here from yesterday, also can. I think what I will do is I will combine together. I'll put this here. And then I will add some more maltose sugar. And the thing about maltose sugar is this: you give it a bit of heat, it will be dissolved very easily. Yeah, even though it looks really, really thick. Give it a bit of heat, it will dissolve very fast. But it's a bit messy lah. Huh? Sorry. Huh? And also we can to wash away my maltose sugar on my fingers. Give me the moment. And we will also give it a bit of the Charsiew red yeast sauce. This is to further give it some reddish color. I'm adding a bit more Shao Hsing wine. Ooh, I finished my Shao Hsing wine already. A little bit of light soy sauce. And let's dilute it. Of course, you can also add a bit of oyster sauce here. It's exactly a reproduction of what we did on the marination sauce yesterday. Okay. All right. Next thing, I'm actually going to divide this into two bowls. One bowl I'm going to use it to further coat my char siu. Another bowl I'm going to use it as a sauce while serving, because I don't want to contaminate them. Yeah, so just separate this into two bowls. Check out the nice sizzling. Okay, this is after the first 10 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius. Let's just take a look. Whoa! Looks really good. Let me try to show you. Wow, all the sizzling. Whoa. Be very careful. Can you see this? Can you see? Wow, look at how beautiful it is. I suspect probably around 20 to 25 minutes it will be fully cooked. Okay, I'm going to very carefully take it out. See? This is the first 10 minutes. Baby, 不要吵 baby, 爸爸录东西. Okay? Okay, this is the first 10 minutes. And we are going to give it some sauce. This is like how you do your siu kai egg, yeah? Where you will actually brush another coating of honey on top. Yeah, we are using maltose sugar. You can use honey as well, no problem, if you don't have maltose sugar. I always feel maltose sugar's sweetness is a lot more subtle. Wow. And let me turn it over. Oh, check this out. Oh, nice. Also, give it some maltose sugar or the char siu sauce, homemade char siu sauce. Ooh. I really think 20 minutes is good enough. This is after 10 minutes, already so nice. And we are going to put it back to the air fryer. Ooh, this is nice. I find it a bit too smoky inside the oven just now. So what I did was I actually reduced the temperature to 180 right now and reduce the time as well. Yeah. So now it's probably too hot just now inside. Ooh, but look at this. It's also actually almost done. I actually suspect the total cooking time can be as short as 15 minutes. So anyway, I enjoy sitting beside the oven to check it out. Alright, this is actually after about 19 minutes. I really think it's done. So I just open this. Like I said, the moment you open this, it will stop. Let me show you. Okay, so this is right after 18 minutes. Ooh, look at the beautiful char. Nice, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to take it out. Sorry, the first 15 minutes at about 200 degrees Celsius. Then I noticed it's a little bit too hot, so I reduced the temperature. Yeah, I saw too many smokes inside, so I actually reduced the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Continue for another couple of minutes, then it becomes like this. Definitely fully cooked right now. It is super hot. We can still give it one more layer of our char siu sauce. Whoa. Oh, really nice. Let me turn this over. Oh, so you don't have to look for char siu sauce outside because you can now make it yourself. And it's very, very easy. All you need is actually the red yeast sauce and also the maltose sugar. Even if you can get red yeast sauce very easily from online. Yeah, I'll put down the link in the video description. Alright. Done. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright, so here's our very simple Char Siew Ribs today. You can also use chicken if you want, but if you want to use chicken, your cooking time probably need to cut short, I think. Well, I never tried with chicken yet, so anyhow, this will taste really good. So if you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.